Such a beautiful and elegant a way to tie a peony. Here is a slow motion tutorial for you. Let's learn it together. Silk scarf. We fold it into a triangular shape like this. This pattern is a classic Chanel style with a camellia series. The top is a small camellia hat, and there is a small bag here. It's very delicate and stylish, and the main thing is its color. It belongs to a versatile color system. It's black and white color. In autumn and winter, we also have brown and coffee, which is very easy to match. Let's grab the small corner of the ear first. Bring the outside edge to the middle and overlap. After that, remember, be sure to align it neatly, hold its tail, and fold it up left and right. Fold it up left and right. One on the left. We fold it up like this. After folding it, hold it firmly. Use our rubber band to tie a knot to fix it in place. Fix the small hem on the edge. Open and stretch it all out like this. Hold the top part and pinch the pointed small corner below. We pull it down. This is the tail of a small petal of our peony. The tail of a small petal, spread it out left and right. After opening the middle part, remember to unfold the sides as well. All 4 layers of the small bag should be unfolded. Wearing it inside your coat like this can be used as a small brooch for me. And put it on the side, but also a small scarf. It's warm and fashion. And elegant. Do you like it?